my channel. So today I am going to be talking about my weight loss journey with you guys. I'm planning on having like a series on my channel about my weight loss journey, and I am going to be documenting every step of the way as much as I can for you guys, since a lot of you guys have been asking. I still have a long way to go. I'm not where I want to be yet. I think I'm still far from where I want to be, but I am just trying to enjoy the journey. So yeah, I'm gonna share a few tips and tricks and just my experience throughout this journey. So yeah, let's just jump right into it because I don't really want to drag this video on, you know, too long. So pretty much, if you've been following me for a while, you guys know that a while back I think after high school I gained about like 30-40 pounds, and then I lost it all, and I was about 115 to 120 pounds for quite some time. So my starting weight with this weight loss journey was between 115 and 120 pounds. I want to say pretty skinny, a little bit curvy, but on the skinnier side. And then I recently got pregnant last year, July 2017. And I started gaining weight rapidly because I was just eating whatever the heck I wanted. I wanted to enjoy my pregnancy as much as I can because my pregnancy was really tough on me. It was really hard. So at the end of pregnancy, I was at 170 pounds, which means I gained about 45 to 50 pounds. Quickly after that, after I gave birth, I lost the first 20 pounds super easily. I believe I lost the first 20 pounds within the 4 to 6 weeks after I gave birth, because I was breastfeeding for about a month or 2 months. After I popped my baby out, my baby was about like 7, almost 8 pounds. So that was like the first, you know, almost 10 pounds out, and then the second 10 pounds I was just losing it, I believe, through just breastfeeding and my body just adjusting back to not being pregnant, basically. So I was at 150 pounds about 1 to 2 months after I gave birth. Now my current weight is 133.5 pounds, and I'm still fluctuating between there and 135 depending on, you know, like what I eat, if I worked out, like, so it's still fluctuating, but it doesn't go any higher than 135 pounds. So which means ever since then I have lost about, I think, about 16 pounds from the 150 pounds, if that makes sense. So the total weight I have lost ever since the end of my pregnancy is 36.5 pounds. I'm really hoping I'm making sense, but yeah. So anyways, a lot of you guys have been asking what I've been doing to lose the weight. So this is what I've been doing consistently for the last 3 months, I believe. So my starting weight, and I'll insert a picture right here, I was 150 pounds right here. So what I've been doing ever since then, basically, I do fasted cardio. So right when I wake up with an empty stomach, I don't eat anything, and you can drink water, but don't drink anything or eat anything with calories. So don't eat at all and don't drink anything with calories. So basically the only thing you can drink is water. I would wake up, drink about like a glass of water, and then I would do fasted cardio for 20 minutes. So it just depends on the day. Like if I have Cadence with me, of course I can't leave her, I can't go to the gym. I would just do jump ropes here in the living room for 20 minutes, or I would do HIIT cardio for 20 minutes. I would do high intensity workouts for 20 minutes straight, of course, with breaks in between if I am doing HIIT or jump rope, because I can't jump rope for 20 minutes straight, okay? And then when I have the chance and Cadence is at her grandmother's house, then I would go to my apartment gym and I would go on the treadmill or the elliptical for 20 minutes. On the treadmill, I also like to do HIIT cardio, which means I sprint as fast as I can for 30 seconds, and then I take my feet off of the treadmill, so just to the sides, and let the thing run. So I would just take my feet off for 30 seconds, so that's my rest, and then I would jump back and start sprinting again for 30 seconds off, 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off, until the 20 minutes is up. Fasted cardio, I feel like, has played a big part in helping me losing the weight, because when you are in that fasted stage, so your body will burn your fat and use your fat to convert as energy, if that makes sense. So instead of your carbs or your food that you ate, it's gonna go directly into your fat. I'm hoping I'm making sense, but if I'm not, you could always search what fasted cardio is on Google or on YouTube. I'm pretty sure someone else can explain better. Next thing I've been doing is cutting down carbs. Growing up Asian, if you are Asian too, you probably can relate. We grow up on rice noodles and just a bunch of carby stuff. And I love rice. So I used to eat a lot of rice, but ever since I wanted to lose the weight, I just cut down on carbs. So in the mornings, I would eat like salad with some eggs or an avocado and whatever else that I have in the kitchen, basically. In the morning, I would not have any carbs. And then for my lunch or dinner, because I usually just eat 2 meals a day. They're 2 decent portion meals. It's not like I'm starving myself. For the second meal, I would just eat half a cup of rice, whether it is brown rice or jasmine rice. I would have a protein, so it could be chicken, tofu, steak, anything, any type of healthy protein. And then I would have my veggies. If I don't have, so for veggies, Rax would make like a bok choy, literally, I don't know, anything we feel like eating at the moment. And if we don't make the veggies, then we would just have salad on the side for our veggie intake. So cutting down carbs for sure definitely helped a lot. Of course, drinking more water. Water is always good, so drink more water. Another thing that's been helping me a lot is intermittent fasting. Just do your research first before starting any of this and make sure that like it's okay for you to do these things. But yeah, I've been doing intermittent fasting, which means I fast for 16 hours and I eat for like an 8-hour period. So for example, my first meal is gonna be at noon, at 12. So I can eat between noon and 8 p.m. That's my 8-hour window when I can eat. So that's when I would eat. But within that 8 hours, I don't get that hungry. So I end up only eating 2 meals, which is good. And you know, I would just fast again for 16 hours and I'm gonna repeat. So I would eat again at noon and stop eating at 8 and just repeat. So on the weekends, I don't do intermittent fasting because I want to enjoy my weekend. Rex is off, and you know we like to go out to eat. So I don't diet. I don't do anything. I don't work out on Sundays for sure. I don't, but Saturday mornings I do. So I try to work out between 3 to 5 times a week. I do cardio. I do HIIT cardio. I lift weights, and yeah, I do all kinds of workouts. Okay, so within this 3 months, like I said, I've lost the 16.5 pounds. Even then, I was not strict with my diet whatsoever. I still have my alcohol here and there, almost every weekend. And then, yeah, I still have my ice cream here and there on the weekends. I still have good food. I don't eat boring, plain rice and plain grilled chicken and broccoli and cauliflower. No, I don't eat boring food. You guys know, if you're following me on Snapchat, Rex always make bomb food for me. So just because you want to eat healthy don't mean that it has to be boring. Like I said, I want to enjoy the journey. I don't want to like starve myself. I don't want to hate myself because I love food. So if I can't eat food, I feel like I'm gonna die, okay? If I can't eat good food, that's what I mean. So yeah, just make it fun. Just know that everything's not gonna happen overnight. Just know that it's gonna take some time. So try to enjoy yourself and try to embrace the body that you have, because let me tell you guys, like, a lot of people tell me, oh my god, your body is goals, but I don't see it. You know, I don't see that I look good, even though to other people I do look good. I know I'm not where I want to be yet, but I am learning to love how curvy I am and how thick I am right now. But of course, with time, I am going to improve and just get better. Please, please, please don't compare yourself to others. Everybody's journey is different. Just because I lost a certain amount of weight within the 3 months doesn't mean that you will lose the same amount of weight. Like I said, everybody's journey is different. Everyone's bodies react to things differently. And yeah, like, just try to enjoy the journey. Don't beat yourself up too hard for it. And just try to like learn to love the workouts, because if you're just gonna be miserable while you're working out, it's just gonna suck for you. So yeah, I think that's all I have to say. I really do hope that this video was very helpful. Like I said, I can't really explain things thoroughly because I'm just not educated in that department, but you can always do your research before you do any of these if you want to try them out. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and please leave me a comment down below letting me know if you guys want me to document my weight loss journey, like maybe every month update or every 2 weeks update, maybe every week. I'm not too sure what you guys want. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video.